Mina ngavuka ekuseni ngingekho disabled. In the afternoon I was disabled.
Mawungena kwi-car accident yashintsha impilo, but kwafanele manje ukuthi nawe umqondo ukwazi ukuthi uthi awusitshele ngaleso simo sakwenzani senzani ekhaya.
Mfowethu, ngangineminyaka u-23, ngangazelele. So as a result it was shocking.
I can imagine.
Shocking to me and shocking to my family as well.
When his accident happened, landing him on a wheelchair, 3 things got him back up: family love, mentorship, and proper education.
The beautiful thing about getting that type of education, particularly from my parents and family, is that it prepared me. There is nothing more important in life than preparedness. Because if you are prepared, even in an eventuality, you still can regain your balance.
At the age of 23 and in possession of an honors degree in sociology, Musa was promoted to being the HR director at Tongat Mushrooms, where he was employed at the time. 10 months after his elevation, his life took a tragic turn when a car accident landed him on a wheelchair in 1995. Through mentorship and support from other disabled individuals and his never say die attitude, he quickly adapted to the new life and started his journey as an author. He released his first book, The Language of Me, in 2004.
That platform engikhuluma ngayo of education engayinikezwa abazali bami, which made me understand myself and also myself out in society. Iyona yenze kube lula ukuthi ngithi noma impilo yami ishintsha in times of change, that I can always realign myself back to balance.
While still on the disability note, we take a small detour to check out some of the businesses that are run by entrepreneurs living with disabilities.
Inkampani yami inqanawe, umkhumngano ongaziki. Ngoba kade ngaqala ukuzama nje ngibhidilisha ngale inkampani le. Ngendlela esengihlupheke kakhulu ngayo ngokuthi ngingenayo imishini yokuthunga, ngisebenzisa izandla ngithuka. Manje kungithatha isikhathi eside mengisebenza, ngathi mengithiwa ngathola imishini lana. I
always say that the business does anything about disability, you know. One of the services that the company does is it's accessible transportation for disabled people. We currently have clients with the private sector for now. People are doing learnerships at Umhlanga. That's one of our clients. We hire out equipment to cooperatives that does grass cutting, who are contracted with the municipality. So we hire out equipment and a commercial vehicle to them. A lot of companies, sometimes they want to hire out disabled people, but they don't even know how to deal with the disability sector. So that's where we come in to come and advise and guide on how and what is important and what, especially around assistive devices. Now we currently have 4 people working, or who are working full-time.
Manje mntwana kubantu aba-disabled uthini kubona?
Banenhlanhla esabusayo yokuhlala ezweni elifana neSouth Africa. And one of the ways zokubonga inhlanhla onayo ngokuthi kwawena kube khona inhlanhla ozoyibuyisela eSouth Africa. I guess the short and sweet of the answer that I'm trying to give to you is, ask not what your country can do for you, but what you can do for your country.
Catch this compelling and inspiring episode on the 4th of December, 1800 hours, YouTube channel Kabisa TV. Washa